The Wolf of Wall Street is one of the most viewed business films of all time. And as a 9-figure entrepreneur myself, here's some of the key things to take from the movie and, well, obviously some things to completely avoid without stating the obvious. Number one thing that you can take from the movie is that sales wins. If you're great at sales, you can make things happen. When you are brilliant at sales, the world is your oyster. Number two, hard work pays off. They didn't just make some calls, they ground it out. They did the work, they made the numbers. And number three, if you build great people around you, then you can build a great business. It's not just one person's effort, it's a lot of people doing it. Build a great business and you'll get there. Hey, drop me a note. What's your favorite part of the movie, The Wolf of Wall Street?